What is an LMS? LMS stands for Learning Management System. An LMS is a web-based system that empowers your organization to automate e-learning. What can I do with an LMS? With an LMS, you can combine all your learning content on one platform and make it available for all learners within a single click. You can manage and organize different groups of learners and match them to their specific learning content needs, and allow for easy communication between parents, teachers and students. What does Spectrum Learning Management offer your organization? Spectrum LMS is a cloud-based, mobile-ready learning management system designed to be applicable for all sizes of businesses. Since Spectrum LMS is cloud-hosted, our clients don't require IT equipment to be installed on their premises. Our cloud is monitored 24/7 by our dedicated Security Operations Center. Furthermore, we conduct vulnerability assessment and penetration testing fortnightly. We have implemented Manage Engine service desk support to handle all internal and external customer requests. Clients are able to raise tickets and have their issues resolved immediately. We are going to look at the three main modules that form Spectrum LMS. Content management. Create and deliver all your content on one platform easily. With our simple GUI, even non-technically minded users can create and modify content by themselves. Assignments. Deliver assignments online. This allows students to download their assignments and submit them through Spectrum LMS. Grade Center. Imagine all your grades managed and stored in one location. With our Grade Center module, this is possible.